Welcome to the video from digitalifestyle.com. This is a real quick video looking at build 25926 Windows Deciders on the Canary channel. Microsoft don't always give us release notes for the Canary channel, but we have got one in this build. So there's a couple of interesting changes with this. If you go into any of these boxes like the search box there, you can write directly with the pen and that will write straight into the window, and you can so you can go settings, you can write straight in. My virtual machine doesn't, although I'm on a Surface laptop studio, my virtual machine pen, the pen doesn't pass through to the virtual machine, so I'm going to show you that right now. But that's what happened, and these are features that have come from the dev channel over the last couple of months really. The other one is the screencasting experience, so that's when you do Windows K and you can cast to another screen. There's an option to set it up now if your device supports it. Again, with the virtual machine it doesn't support it, but I like the screencasting. I've got a full video on that. That's where you can use another display as a second monitor, or you can send your primary monitor to your TV via your Xbox or to another PC, something like that. Local sharing improvements, let's have a look at that. So when you share now, you get the sort of more Windows 11 friendly design of the share experience, and that's new in this build. Again, taken from the dev build. In fact, it was in last week's build as well on the Canary, but didn't do a video on that. Microsoft just added the release notes. So there are a couple of things as well. You'll see down here we've got the notification. Now, instead of it being a number like on the current release version of Windows, there's a little bell to show you've got new notifications. You hover over it and it shows the count. Once you've cleared it like that, it goes back to having no colour or accent colour on there. So that's a new change. So here on colour filters in accessibility, you can see you've got two sliders for controlling intensity and colour boost. They're not actually labelled, that's a bug. And on the future build they'll have those labelled up correctly, so you can apply those colour filters. There's just the one known issue that Microsoft talked about on this, which is they fixed an issue. If you've got a mobile broadband connected device, you wouldn't be able to connect to a wireless network due to an issue with the APN configuration from a previous build. So that's been fixed now as well. So if your device has got a SIM card and internet connectivity, then you may have had an issue with that, but they fixed that as well. So that's it for the changes with this Canary build. Canary channel are supposed to be the most risky set of builds to have, the furthest away. It's kind of been working the way around. The dev channel's got the features first and then the Canary channel. But I think what Microsoft are doing is all the features that we're rolling out fairly soon have been checked into the dev channel, and now they're putting into the Canary channel, and I think we'll start to see some more interesting stuff from the Canary channel soon. So thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on digitalifestyle.com.